Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The best of both worlds awaits you here. Being one of a residential gem or a developer's dream, having that desire to be centrally located, close to shopping, nightlife, schools, fine dining, and medical facilities. This property boasts a main house which accommodates 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, laundry, kitchen, living and dining room, a den, and a housekeeper's quarters. Associated to the main building is 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Additionally, there is an outbuilding which has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living room, dining room, and a patio. The property has fruit trees to include avocado, lychee, starapples, oranges, blueberry, soursop, guava, tangerine, starfruit, mango, coconut, ackees, pineapples, breadfruit, plantains, among others. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $420,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.